know. I'm really sad. I'm gonna see if I can watch it on my phone.
Meet Judy after Van.
Well, this is
You
really
have a
bad.
fucking
We can't like if we can't watch it, then we can't send it to defense and prosecution.
Yes! Oh my god. Oh. Holy. Well, I think the takeaway is this cube is this cube is the best cube in the game, man.